How to make a slip knot. Every knitting project starts with a slip knot. Take the yarn and make a loop with it. Then take the long tail and put it through this loop from behind, like so. And that's it. You can pull on either one of the tails and then you just unravel the slip knot if you want to do it again. Make a loop, take the long tail and put it through the loop from behind like this, and that's it. Don't pull it too tight. And you can adjust the size of it by pulling on either one of the ends. If you're using a thicker knitting needle, you'll need a bigger loop. If your needle is smaller, you can adjust the size to make your slip knot smaller.